Good afternoon, everybody. Today, we're at the Holly State Recreation Area. Today's August 8th. We got Paul and me. And we're about to head in and do a nice 4-mile hike.
Hello.
We're about, what, a mile in?
Huh.
Haven't seen a single person yet. It's been pretty hilly. Watch out.
First?
Got it.
You dreamed yourself.
Yeah, that's totally it. We just saw our first person. We're having our lunch. Good old-fashioned ramen. Paul devoured his already. Barely started. We had to get out of that area because of the
Vampire things.
mosquitoes. Paul and I laughed because we just ate on the side of the trail and not more than a quarter mile away. There's a nice park, bench, everything else. Oh well.
That's our luck.
So 5.5 miles in, we're finally out. That's it.